I discovered something pretty cool today with this Abbey lever setter on my own personal bike, which I know the levers are straight on. I thought I was crazy when I saw this. So let's take another measurement. Back of the hood. That's so far off. What could be that far off? The levers are the same distance off at multiple points. Is the stem twisted? The stem's pretty old. New stem. When I first saw it, I didn't really think it was something I would rush out to buy, and honestly I waited a while to buy this, but just being able to find something out that would be hard to measure otherwise was actually a pretty cool little feature of it. And I do think it can help with setup. It's probably not faster, but the accuracy is pretty hard to deny here, especially with the Abbey hanger tool. Sitting here holding the stem, twisting it around, trying to see where it's off. Sometimes I think I could see it, other times not. But this stem is probably 10 years old. It's been on half a dozen bikes. It's not surprising at all that it's twisted.